Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Patrick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, there are some few exact tricks I will show you basically for something. Stop starting day no day like sequence in this way. Day two, day three, day four, something like this. Please stop typing this way. So what you just have to do is just the first way string. So just type day, close string, and sequence. Number of rows, how many rows do you want it to appear? It is 50, it is 100, depending on the number of rows you want. Let's say 50. 50. Starting from where? From what distance? So we'll say 1. Okay, so this one is actually, this 50 is for number of rows. The one is column 1, that is A. If I say column 2, for instance, it was going to display, it will be displaying column 2, which is B. You understand? So this is it. But in a case where you just want it to display in just one, what you just have to do is report to open quote, so open double quote. So what you just do, type B, close double quote. So let's say 50 rows. I will just want it to appear in just one column, which is the first column. This is just it. Boom. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you find this helpful, please do and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever there is a new post. Thank you.